try to forget the hurt that's deep inside, but once they open, I'll be whole again, just for a while. Enough time to know that I still exist. I see in the distance a big cloud of gray for me. I know what's coming. Heavy rain to wash away my sinful ways. The first thing I hear is the sound of thunder. It helps me, keeps me sane. But without it, my demons will come out and play to wreak havoc on this world that's getting too used to being cold. So much hate and sin everywhere you go that they might think that they are back at home. Till I wake up from this dream to witness everything that they have done, to gather them up and put them into my soul, the true place that they should call home.
Mir ist es noch, was ihr wisst.